There's an old adage, if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you always got. Einstein said this a little bit more eloquently when he said that the consciousness that created the problem will be unable to solve it. Another way to think about it is a quote by Marshall McLuhan, who said, "I don't know who discovered water, but I doubt it was a fish." Mindfulness entails trying to get the mind to look at the mind, right? To try to observe how the operating system is functioning. The way I like to think of it is that the brain is the hardware and the mind is the software. And it becomes apparent fairly quickly that the mind has a mind of its own. We're all on autopilot most of the time, and meditation is a tool to reboot our hard drives and give us some insight into how that operating system, how that software is running. But telling someone to meditate, to release, or the best way to think about it is to disidentify with his or her thoughts, is telling like someone to, go off autopilot. It's like telling someone to sneeze or sleep, just like that. It's the most difficult thing that you'll ever attempt, because all of us, the way I like to think of it, are addicted to our personal identities, the hamster wheels in our heads that say, I am Ira, I am 6 feet tall, I have brown hair, I am speaking English, all those things that are going on in the background. And meditation was designed to release that for just a little bit. But you can't tell the mind to meditate, to just release or disidentify. So we have to trick it into releasing the thinking apparatus just for, 5, 10, 15 minutes every day. And what I'm going to do in this video is give you different anchors. I'm going to give you 9 different anchors that you can try on and decide if any of them work for you, so that you can gain a little respite, some equanimity, just for a few minutes every day. Think of this video as a dressing room, and I want you to try on these 9 different anchors, these 9 different meditations, and if any of them fit, feel free to wear them out into the world and use them for the rest of your life. So thank you very much.